Hi friends, my name is Priyanka. Now I'm in 10th standard from Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee International School, Wabewadi. My today's topic is birds. Yeah, birds. Okay, let's start without wasting time because time is so initial and so important in our life. Okay, let's start. Birds in our India or in our Earth, so many birds are present. Uh, in our on our Earth, so many types of birds are present. Different types of birds are present. Some birds are so big and some birds are so small, like sparrow, parrot, and etc. There are so many birds. I like birds because birds are so cute and so nice. uh, in the birds, so many colors are present, so many varieties are present, like parrots, peacock, and etc. uh, all birds are live in front, near of the water, and all birds are so cute, and some birds are make a nest and live in the nest, like a sparrow. Sparrow is sparrows are make a nest and live in the this nest, and so many birds are present in our India. uh, I love all birds, but so many peoples are kill the birds. But I tell this all peoples, please don't kill the birds, because birds are so beautiful and so nice. Please don't kill the birds. Thank you.